Just a real quick video. We are lucky enough to have a storm with heavy rain, so we can show the amount of soundproofing the insulation provides. Here's a look out the side window at the storm, and here's a look out the back. With the microphone at the same level, I'm just going to walk into the garage so you can hear the difference. That sound reduction in the living space is just from blown-in insulation in the walls and above in the attic. The ceilings in different rooms have different heights, so let's get up in the attic so you can see how I kept the insulation at even thicknesses. This is looking over the bedroom and bathroom, with the higher level to the right being the kitchen, and you can see I used some scrap lumber and extra insulation fabric to hold the insulation at a consistent height. The insulation isn't heavy, so staples against the studs work just fine. Over the kitchen here, you can see that I cut up little foam, nailed it against the ceiling joist, and made marks on it where I wanted the insulation to get up to. We did the same thing with the even higher living room.